Good morning, everyone. How are we all doing? Are you happy and healthy? I hope you are, wherever you are in the world. Let's get on with it. In today's video, I'll be talking to you about how I'm going to list an item on eBay. This particular item we are talking about today. This is the name of the item. That's what they called it anyways. So for this video I'll be obviously using eBay to list my item. So I put these words that are highlighted in the search box on eBay, and it came up with all these results. So then I opened them in a new window, the ones that I'm interested in, that the item looks like the one I'm selling. So I'm looking at pictures, price, listing title, description, all these things. And this was the item that I opened in a new window. You can see because it's a different color. This was the item that I have opened in a new window. And there were a couple others. And here they are. That's what I've opened in a new window. So that's other sellers selling similar or identical item that I'm going to sell. So I'm going to base my listing a little bit on their listings too. So then I found a listing that I decided that I'll be selling an item, like, use that template of this person that I have listed it, and then I click on it, sell it yourself, and it opens up in a new window. And then I have the title ready. I actually like this one better because it tells me that this brush can reach to radiator, heater, can be used for a sink. So it's more keywords: long reach, flexible dust cleaning bristle, easy band, brush, sink, radiator, heater. So I quite like this one. I don't see the number of... Yes, 78, so that's fine. Number of letters used in the title, 79 out of 80, so that's fine. That will stay like that. Obviously condition is required, so I'll click on it. This is a brand new item. Brand, this is unbranded, I believe, so I'll click on the unbranded, type all purpose. Now let's scroll down. For sink, drain, number in pack 1, from bristles, form bristles, features lightweight. Let's see anything there. Scent free, MPN does not apply, capacity, that does not apply, theme, there isn't any, country, region of manufacture, I can surely change that to China, volume, I don't even know what to put there. Personalize, I can put no, this is not personalized item. Let's see more details. Personalized instructions, volume, item length, so I can put dimensions here, so I'll quickly look them up. This is the item that I bought on eShane, so I'll have to go into my orders, and that's there. So you can see that's the list of items I bought, and this is the item I bought, and the original price was £1, and the price got reduced, I got some discounts, so I finally paid for it 71 pence. That's tax included. So this was the price of my item. So now I look at the dimensions. I need to find the length. So click on the size, my supplier page. So we have diameter 1, height 2, length 45, width 5. So that's in centimeters. So let's find out now which actually dimensions do I need. Item length. So the length is 45. So click on it. 45, so I'll have to now, ideally I'll have it in inches, so that's some new thing there, I think. So an inch is 17.5 inch, So I think eBay is now doing this, so I'm doing 17.5, 17 point, what was it again? 17.5 or 17.7, 17.7, 17.7 N, which means inch. Okay, 17.7 inch. I'll click on it again. Yes, that's been done correctly. Width, item width. So width is there too. So I don't really know why. Width. And why did they put 2 inches of a width? That's this dimension though, isn't it? 2.5 centimeter, 1 inch. So I'm going to put 1 inch. Just 1 inch in there. 6 minutes 5 seconds in this video. So with 1 inch, I'm going to do it like that. Enter unit quantity 1. Just putting a word 1. Color is white. Labels and certifications. Weight of an item, height. Do I need height? I don't really, do I? That's their 0.8 height. I don't really know why. So they put the width as a height, so that's fine. I'll probably leave this blank not to confuse, because the length and the width is already there and there isn't really much more. Color is white. And now adding the pictures, drag and drop your photos or add from computer. So I'll go into add from computer. And yes, there it is. I think that's this item there. So I better change it to the large icons, extra large icons. And I think that's this item there, isn't it? This one. Okay, so now I will hold Control and click on the pictures that I want to add to this listing. While holding Control, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pictures. Perfect. I don't need any more, do I? And now I can click on Add these pictures. They'll come on. Now start loading them on. This is not going to be an auction. It's going to be a listing with a fixed price. By the way, thanks very much for watching my videos. I do appreciate it. If you can share with somebody who might be interested in this content, then I would appreciate it. Obviously, you can share this, share the link to this video on any of your social media websites. You can also give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That's very much appreciated. Thank you. Let's carry on. Auction, so this has to be changed. I'm switching buy it now function on, switching the auction off, and now I need to figure out the price. So I'll have a look at my competitors again. How did they price their brushes? That's a 2-pack for £3 with free delivery. This is very, very cheap. That's £3.85, free delivery again. You can see there. So that's how I'm going to price my item, about £3.79 or somewhere around that. This one is available for £3.29, and this one was £3.99, again with free delivery. So I'll obviously use the calculator to verify, what the price of my item is going to be finally. And for creating the descriptions and perfect titles, if I need to get it improved, I could use either this ChatSonic software, AI powered chatbot, or Bard Experiment from Google. That's an AI software as well that I'm using for creating my descriptions to help me build a proper, good-looking, appealing to the buyer listing. So let's carry on. So the price has come up as £3.90. I'm going to double check that again. $3.99, $3.29. See if I'm wanting to price my item at £3.75. Just not to be exactly the same price as my competitors are. Now the description. So I like to change it, obviously, so I'm going to copy my my template that I had opened there already. So that's my template copied now, so I can paste it. And that's my item title. That's the name of my item. So I'm going to make that bigger. Let's make it 16. It's still too small. Let's make it 18. I'm going to make it 24. That's better. So now I remove this dot. Do it like that. Copy this. Now I can delete it. And it will get pasted there in bigger letters. So it matches the item name. This is not right. Need to do it again. Oh, I don't know how this is jumping over. Let's try it like that. Or do it like that. It's fine. And I can also make them bigger if I want to. So I'll get them changed from 13 to 24 as well. Delete this line. Leave this one on. Always leave a space in between. Another space. Here's what the customer will receive. So I'm going to copy some of this. You will receive, I'm pasting it. This is quite big, so that's good. I'm going to do 1x, which means the customer will receive one item, one long reach flexible dust cleaning bristle, and I'll leave it as it is now. It's fine. Just one space, one space, one space, long reach flexible dust cleaning bristle, easy band brush sync radiator. So that's what I already told you before in my previous videos. We are 12 minutes and 27 seconds in this video, so now I'll be wrapping it up. I did tell you about this new new way of actually, doing away with where you can see description is now optional on eBay. While I'm carrying out every time I'm listing any new items, I'm carrying out to keep my old style, and I fill in all these fields. I think it's valuable to the customer to know what the suitable occasion is, what valuable tips for the item are. Obviously you have to include what's included in the package for the customer, what the item description is. So I'm going to build it using the artificial intelligence. This is going to get removed. I don't need that. And there I'm going to paste that. You've seen me before building a eBay listing, so you know how I'm going about to do it. That's what the item includes. Control C, Control V. Control C is copy, Control V is paste. Just make your work faster. Obviously remove that, and I'll leave the bottom line there. So that's something I'm always using on my listings. Don't miss out on this amazing item. Place your order today and enjoy fast shipping, hassle-free returns, and outstanding customer service. I'm here to ensure that your buying experience is a positive one from start to finish. And all the rest now will get completed using the calculator to do the right pricing for it. And one of these artificial intelligence softwares, these chatbots, to create the compelling descriptions, just to fill it in as I did previously. You have seen me doing it, so you know how this process is going to look like. I'm going to copy this and put it there, and give it a prompt. Create me a item description for my next eBay listing. And then I'm pasting it. So that's like that, and it will create me a description. that I'll copy and paste over to eBay. I'll get it corrected.